Are you wondering if it's too late to start selling on Amazon in 2019? Is it too saturated? Is it too competitive? Well, in this video, you're about to find out. What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name is Trevin Peterson. I'm a multiple six-figure Amazon seller, and I'm looking forward to bringing to you guys today's video about is it too late to start selling on Amazon in 2019? So I'm just going to go over a few things that you guys need to know and answer that golden question of is it too competitive, is it too saturated, and can I succeed in 2019? But before we dive into the video, I want to welcome everyone that is new to the channel. And what we do here is talk about strategies and techniques that are up to date, that are current when it comes to selling on Amazon. And the reason why I say that they're up to date and current is because I'm a current Amazon seller. That is what I do full time. And to show you guys, let's dive into my seller account and see how the sales are for today. So right here, as you guys can see, my seller account, 28,000 for the month and just under 500 for the day. It's just past 1 o'clock, so as you guys can see inside my seller account. And I don't show that to say that I'm better than you, and I know that there's other numbers out there that are just as good, but the reason why I have this channel is to be as transparent and as open as possible. And me showing you guys my seller account is just letting you guys know that I'm selling on Amazon, facing the same problems, and I want to help you guys with the problems that I faced early on when I was first starting to sell on Amazon. So that's why I have the channel, is to help you guys. So if you guys are interested, please go down and hit the subscribe button so that you guys can get notified when I am dropping new videos. I am currently dropping weekly, almost daily videos, so make sure you go down and subscribe. So now let's dive into the video where we discuss, is it too late to start selling on Amazon in 2019? Alright, so let's finally answer the question that I get asked literally every single day of, is Amazon too saturated? Can I succeed with Amazon FBA in 2019? And my answer is, it is really hard, okay? That is just the brutal truth with Amazon FBA. I want to be 100% transparent with you guys and let you know that Amazon is completely different now than it was even just a year or two ago, okay? So let me explain. It is really hard to just come into Amazon thinking that you can just go on Alibaba, order some random product that is doing $50,000 a month, not do anything with it, and think that you're going to succeed. It's not that simple, and too many people are coming in with that mentality, okay? But on the flip side, if you have the mentality of, okay, I'm going to do something different, I'm going to think outside the box, I'm going to get creative, I'm going to take the time to really learn, take this thing serious, treat it as a business, then absolutely you can succeed in 2019. But I would say the vast majority of people come into Amazon FBA with the thought, oh, all I need to do is just order a product and send it to Amazon and they do the rest. And yeah, Amazon does the majority of the work, but you actually have to put in the work up front to find a product, to then get the product created, to then create the perfect product listing with professional product pictures, with a perfect title that's optimized with certain keywords. You need to understand how to do PPC campaigns, and you need to understand the whole process. And if you don't, then yes, it is way too competitive. It's way too hard to succeed in 2019. Okay, so there are two sides of that, and on the one side, yes, you can. The other side, you can't. It just depends on what kind of person you are and if you're willing to put in the work. And for example, let's take my Amazon FBA business, and I'm going to say that I'm willing to do what other people aren't willing to do, okay? Which I am, because I just launched a product fairly recently within the last month, and because I took the time to do each individual step, that product is now doing over $7,000 a month. And the reason being is I'm doing something different. I'm getting creative and I'm thinking outside the box, and I'm not doing what every other Amazon seller is doing. So if you have that mentality, I mean, that's proof right there that I launched a product in 2019 that works, that is selling, and I found a market that isn't too competitive and that's not too saturated. So I just want you guys to think that and process that. I know that sometimes we just want to dive into things and we think it's going to be a lot easier than it is. And I just wanted to create this short video of my personal opinion about selling on Amazon in 2019. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. And before we end this video, I just want to announce the giveaway winner for that free 30-minute coaching call. I'm going to put it right here. So here's the winner. DM me on Instagram. It's at trevin.peterson, and we will get you squared away, and we will have that free 30-minute coaching call. So I appreciate you guys following along and supporting me. If you guys haven't yet subscribed, I would really appreciate it. And if you haven't joined the Facebook group either, go down and click the link down below, join the free Facebook group, ask your questions. If you have any concerns, I'm more than happy to help, okay? And the reason why I have this channel is to not scare you to not do Amazon FBA. It's more than the opposite. It's just to give you guys a reality check and let you know, okay, it's possible. It's just you need to put in the work to succeed, okay? It's not just going to happen overnight. You're going to have to take some time and some effort. You're going to have to invest some money to really understand how Amazon works, okay? So it's not dead. It's not too saturated. You just need to have the right mentality, and if you do that, you can totally succeed with Amazon FBA. So thank you guys for watching, and we will see you in the next video.